Today's problem is to check whether a given string is a palindrome or not. What is palindrome? A palindrome is a word which reads the same backward as forward, such as Madam, Malayalam, etc. Before coding, we have to analyze how to check whether a given string is a palindrome. We have to check nth character from the beginning with nth character from end. Suppose let us consider given character is string is Malayalam. We have to check nth character from beginning with the nth character from end. If all such characters are equal, it is a palindrome. If any two characters, any nth character from the beginning is not equal to nth character from end, it is not a palindrome. In Java string, each and every character of a string having an index. Index starts from 0. First character's index is 0. So, what is the last index? Last index equal to length minus 1. We can find out the length using length method. Length method of string class. We can find out the length. Since the index starts from the 0, last index equal to length minus 1. Now we are going to compare these two strings, these two characters. If they are equal, we have to check these two characters. The process goes until middle of the string m. M equal to middle of the string m equal to length divided by 2. We have to nth character from the beginning with the nth character from end. If they are equal, then we have to check other characters. Index of nth character from the beginning equal to n minus 1, while index of nth character from the end equal to length minus n. So, index of first character equal to 1 minus 1, 0. Index of nth character from end equal to length equal to 9, 9 minus 1, 8. Index of second character equal to 2 minus 1, 1. And index of second character from the end equal to 9 minus 2, 7. We have to check second character with the seventh character, seventh indexed character. This process will continue till middle of the string. If all the conditions are satisfied, it is a palindrome. Otherwise, it is not a palindrome. Now we are going to construct a class to find whether a given string is a palindrome using Java. Class name palin. We already discussed it. We need length of the string from which we calculate last index, index of the 0th character and middle index. We already discussed why these parameters are required to check whether a given string is a palindrome or not. We have to declare. Now we are going to write a method void check string. check is a method which is expecting one string and will not return anything. There are several methods in a class. We need to find length of the s. len equal to s dot length. It which gives number of character in this string. Last index equal to len minus 1. Since index of first character is 0. Index starts from 0, that's why last index equal to length minus 1. Index of first character equal to 0. We are going to check first half letters with the half letters from the end. We need middle character, index of the middle character. It is equal to len divided by 2. Now we know all these values. Then we are going to check whether the given string s is a palindrome or not. Initially, we consider it is a palindrome. Pali equal to 1. This is known as flag variable. Now let us consider given string is a palindrome. If Pali equal to 1, it is a palindrome. Now we are going to check character by character from beginning with from end. While I less than m. If s dot character at I equal to s dot character at L. We are going to check. Now I equal to 0, L equal to last index. We are checking first character with the last character. If both are equal, then we have to increase I by 1 and decrease L by 1. Now we are going to check second character from the beginning with the second character from end. This process will be continued until these two characters are different. Otherwise, this will be executed, and if I reaches m, it comes out of the loop normally. Even any two characters are not equal, we have to come out from the loop after saying Pali equal to 0. Break the loop. Suppose any two characters are different, we have to come out of the loop by after saying Pali equal to 0. Here we have to check if Pali equal to 1, system out dot print ln palindrome. Else system out dot println not palindrome. End of the function, end of the function, end of the class. This is the class to find whether a given string is a palindrome or not. Now we are going to write main class to create an object and send some value to this method. Main function is the entry point for any project. Syntax for signature for main class is public static void main parameter string array. Now we are going to create object for palin. P equal to new palin. P dot this is the main class where we create an object for palin and call this method check. Malayalam goes to here and we check zeroth character with the last character, second character with the second character from the end. This process goes. Here in this case all the conditions are true and come out of the loop without altering pali value. We are printing palindrome. If any two characters are different, then else part will be executed. Pali equal to 0, come out of the loop. Pali equal to 1, no, then it will print not a palindrome. We can give a of 0 here. It is a runtime parameter. While running, we have to give Java, MC, any value, Malayalam. Then this will be assigned to a of 0. This will go to yes. Thus, then the process will be go on to check whether a given string is a palindrome. There is no need to alter the code. At the runtime, we can give any value. This will be assigned to a of 0 and then it goes to yes.